Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 23rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, anyways, on the dollar Canadian, like I was saying yesterday, I think there's a good chance this is the end of a pullback right here. If that's true, it's likely going to take out all these highs. It's obviously not going to do it in one straight shot. There should be some pullbacks along the way. We're sitting at the 61% now, and obviously, this is a pretty good area of resistance. So maybe we will get a pullback. I personally wouldn't be recommending trying to go short on sort of time frames because these counter trend trades are very unpredictable. And what I mean by that is you may think that it's going to make a pullback, but then it just keeps on going up, which does two things. It could cause you to lose a trade because you're counter trend trading, and it could cause you to miss the better trade, which would be a trend trade to the long side. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely would want to see some sort of a pullback. I wouldn't try to go long right this minute. I would like to see it to break down on the 1 hour time frame. And then once it does that, I would throw my Fibonacci retracement out there and I would look for a pullback, Fibonacci bounce to go long again for the potential continuation of this higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.